Magandang hapon po ng July 29, 2025 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng July 29, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, July 29, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for July 29, 2025, Tuesday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, July 29, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for July 29, 2025, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.